Hello, dear viewers. Welcome. Today, I want us to focus on design in structure because after you have done your modeling, which I have created video on how to model the structure, but I did not go specifically to design. I want us to design columns and beams. So you can see, you can go to visual interrogations. For me, I'm using Protastructure 2018. I always believe in the saying that says that goes that all is good. So I'm using Protastructure 2018, and this is where I find the visual navigation. Go to design status, then if you go to visual interrogations, design status, then you can see that my analysis has expired. So we will repeat the analysis so that we can go straight to design and see how we can fix if we have failed columns, if we have failed beam, and also how and which side of our and how we're going to fix all that. So let's go straight to analysis. I'm just going to design all my members. So let me run the analysis. So let us wait for being reinforcement design to complete, and we'll go to design our beams because perhaps you don't want to use T20 because if you are aware, T20 is significantly more expensive compared to 16. So a contractor will prefer an engineer to upgrade T20 as much as you can if it is possible. Don't use T20. So most time we use T16 because usually sometimes it's rare to consider earthquake disaster in places where earthquake is not, it's rare to have such currency. So we avoid to because of the price is expensive. That's where design is important. You don't need just to wait for the software to do the design for you and you paint the drawings. You have to go and make sure you design and change the design to suit your need and the clients of your need and the needs of your client, not kind of need. So of course everything has passed, but let's view the columns. Everything has passed, but we are not sure. We have to go one by one, confirming that this is really the case. Because if you see this one, 300 baht for 50, and actually this column, I need to reduce this size to 50 baht. So this column is very big. So to confirm that this design has passed, we need to double click on it. So you need to go to column design, you need to go to interactive design, then okay, clear box spacing, So let's see column analysis. So we have to make sure that these interact with these shapes inside here are within this diagram. That is the actual load and the other one, the blue one and this maroon one. So they have to be within. If it is outside on the upper side, it means that the column is failing in compression. If it is in the lower side, it means that the column is failing in tension. And also this dot here has to be within this shape here. So perhaps this column is too big and we are going to use a lot of concrete, and we know for every cubic meter of concrete there are 6 bags of cement. Okay, so imagine based on this, if I can reduce the column on this side to maybe 200 by 400, I would have saved my client a lot of money, right? Because imagine for every cubic meter of concrete, there are 6 bags of cement. And multiply that times the price for 1 bag of cement. You see? So that is too expensive. So you have to take into consideration of such stuff. So that's why I may need to come to my columns. So let me close this here. I might need to change. So let me just select from here. Okay, properties. I only want to focus on these ones. So maybe I will reduce this to, I just need to click here, click the pen, and maybe reduce this one to, let's say 200, or let's say, because 200 is too small, let's say 250. So we are trying to save our client here all those extra bags of cement. And of course, these ones which are circular, I just, yes, no problem. I just increase them back to 400. This one I'll maintain the size of 400. Or maybe I can just select just hold shift and select up to there. So and just increase, because there are just few of them each floor. So let me just do this. Four hundred, 400, 400, 400, 400. Okay. So I think that is it. The circular ones I will maintain the sizes. For this one I will reduce to 50 by maybe 50 by, I can just leave this for 50 the way it is. So I'll reduce the B by 250 and the H I will leave it to be 450. Right? So I will just do that. I will go to the next. This is we were on the first floor, right? So we were on the first floor. So I will go to the second floor. I will go to the third floor. So I don't think second floor has any column. Just the landing beam. We are on the fourth floor. So I don't think we have any columns, so only on the fourth floor. And I'll expand my column and I'll select post all of them, hold shift and click the first one, the last one, and then property. Suppose we repeat the same thing here. Maybe try to select okay, select everything, no problem. 250. Then you can edit the font because there's just a few of them, the circular one. How many are there? There are several of them. Let's just do it like that so you can go faster. Oh, I think the other 250 are for these ones. These columns, these ones which are just in between the balconies. That's why I was wondering. So I can just see them. They're not inside the outside. Just select them from here. Okay. And then that become our for view. And so I just go properties, right click, properties, and I just change them back to 200, no problem. And go with the back to the video side. I'll do the same to the sixth floor. Just double click, expand my column, click the first and last one, hold your shift, right. So you can just maybe select this, select that, that one. Maybe the last one, then control and properties. So I just change the 50. And then choose 50. Then you can just edit this few ones, 100, 100, 100. These are the circular ones in the 400. That. Let me go back to the fourth floor. Just select all of them, properties. So I will change it to 400. These are the circular ones. The eastern one, 400. 400. 100, 400, then 400. Okay, so we can these are the ones we just changed. So I think a few of them are still in time color. Let's see which one is selected. Okay, so I think these ones are still um, these are still 400, 400, 400, 400. So I will do this the last floor and I pause the video to make it shorter. So I change the sizes for these columns to reduce them because for each extra cubic meter of concrete that we are going to use, there are extra 6 bags of cement there. So that will be quite uneconomical for your client. So you have to take that into consideration. Now on the last page, on the last floor, so I will click here and then hold my shift, click the last one, so you select everything, properties. So I need to change everything here to close. Change the ones I know they are 200 and I consider this one, the balcony, bring back to 200. Then properties, 200. Then close it. Okay, so I will go back. These ones, all of them, close. So I'll just click minimize this and shift select covering properties. So all of these are 400. These circular ones, which you can see they have B but they don't have H. So they're circular. So 400, 400, and they are in the internal side. So these are 400, 400, 400, 400, 400. Again, we change these ones to 400, 400, so not 4,000, 400, then 400, then 400, 400, 400. This can be the most challenging part of data structure design because you have to take you a lot of time. So you need to go and check everything because the software does not do what we call precising for you. It does not tell you or suggest which side you should use. So you are the one who should go and make sure that you have not over designed the structure. So, and basically we use too much cross-section with very small reinforcement means that that column is, it's underloaded and you have over designed, right? So you have to take all those things into consideration. So let me do my analysis. All right, so go to analysis. Upon analysis, let's do the design. Let's do the design of beam and column, no problem. Select, no problem. Start. Still, you can see all my columns have passed, but we still need to go to design one by one, and I will show you why. I just need to make sure it's recording. So, about okay, analysis successful. So you can see that my video analysis is checked, no errors. So I will need to go to analysis design. This is how the working layout of the pattern making looks like. Me, I believe in all these tools. So depends. So I'm going to straight column sections, right? I still wanted to use just 16, so I'm still okay because I'm using to 16. And for these small ones, I will need to change. So I mean, you might need all you might need to do is to confirm that the the the, the, the doors are within the graphs for the interaction diagram. So you might just need to go checking one by one. Just column analysis. You make sure that these are within. Then that's how you know that that column is okay. Because that's what I will go doing. So if they are within, right? So they are fast. So the other thing I would do is you see these two columns that are in between the balconies. I can't use this system because really they don't carrying any load. They're not carrying any load. So because you can see these these beams are the ones we are carrying the load because although they are cantilever, they are carrying most of this load. So I need just to go changing this to 12. So we may need to go and change this size to 12. So no problem. I know I will not detail this as this thing, and I will not change because for my main column I don't want to use tutorial, right? Unless it's on the just on the part of the roof, the top part, which is not really carrying any load apart from the roof load. So, but my columns I want to use 360, so I'll not go to setting and change the size of my rebars to 12 as because it will suggest tutorial for some of the other columns which I don't want. So, but when I'm detailing, I'll just indicate that these columns um, are just these columns in between the columns. So they're not carrying any. So that's all, guys. So I think that, guys, you can just maybe check for beans, story beans. All my beans are passed, but have I used any T20? Let's check interactive design. So 3D16, 3D16. Can you reduce this one to 2? No. Okay, so all these are passed. Can you reduce it to T12? So that will be it for this video. My next video, I wanted to focus on slab detailing. So from structure, so we generate the drawing and make them proportional. So see you in my next video.